All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Sam Fender. I really like that guy. He's great, great artist. And this time he does a song called Arm's Length. All right, so it really has his DNA all over this song. And yeah, if you like him, you can go and check my other tutorials from Sam Fender. Speed of You is one of them. I have a couple more there on this channel. So yeah, let's go into Arm's Length, and we have 4 chords only to handle this beautiful song. So we're gonna use a capo, and we have it on the 1st fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. So capo on 1st, and the 4 chords will be A, the D sus, D sus 2, then we have the F sharp minor, and then the E. So let's start with A. And it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have then the D sus 2, and that goes like that. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. We have the F sharp minor, which is a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final chord will be E. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. All right, so there you have all the chords: A, D sus, F sharp, and E. Now we're gonna use a strumming pattern about 4 downs. That's what's going on. So if you grab the A, it goes like this. Okay, I try to emphasize the 3rd down, so I play on the higher strings when I come to that 3rd down. All the other downs I play a bit more in the bass area. So bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass. All right, so we're gonna start with this song, and it starts with an intro that goes A, 4 string rounds, and D sus, 4 string rounds, and you go for 2 rounds there. So A4, D4, A4, D4, like this. Right? And some technical stuff here, you're gonna work with that combo A and D a lot in the song. So if you have that A there, you can just still keep the 2nd fret, let's see, like 2nd fret G string through the A, and then also for the D. Same finger there, the mid finger in my case. I always hold like this pretty much. So you don't have to release everything and try to get the D and back again like this. So you just keep that as points. You can just navigate through there, right, and around these. All right, so that's one technical trick there to get 2nd fret G string and keep it there through the A and D's. Now, speaking of the intro, we also have this melody going on. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you have it on these higher strings down there. So the melody goes on the 2nd fret E string, the high E, and then open E string, then 2nd B, then open B, then 2 times on the 2nd B again, then open B, and 2nd G. So, and the timing here is to play 2 string rounds on A, and then the 1st down starting in the 3rd strumming round. And then comes the melody. And then you shift chord to D, play the same 2 strumming rounds plus 1 extra down starting on the 3rd, and the melody again. And you can just go back and forth like that. So it sounds like this. The same here, when you play the melody, you can just stay with that middle finger on the 2nd fret G string. All right, so that is how I handle the intro. And guess what? The verse is played in the same way without this melody, of course. We're gonna play A4 and D sus2 for 4 rounds, and you can do it for 2 rounds back and forth. We know that by now. Let's go into the chorus, and it starts in the lyric here, "Oh Lord, do you have to know me?" and so on. So what you're gonna play here is the same strumming. Now you're gonna play E2, then F1, then A1, and D4. You play for 2 rounds, so E2, F sharp 1, A1, and D4. Okay, and after that you go back into the 2nd verse. That is played in the exact same way as the first one, so A4, D sus4 for 2 rounds, and then you go into the 2nd chorus and play that in the exact very same way as we just learned. E2, F sharp minor 1, A1, and D sus4 for 2 rounds. After that 2nd chorus, you have an instrumental part, and that is to play in the same way as you play the verses. That means A4 and D sus4 for 2 rounds. Then you go back and play the 3rd verse, okay? Play in the exact same way as the previous verses, no changes there. And then comes the 3rd chorus. That one is played in the same way, but it's twice as long. So instead of going for just 2 rounds of the E, F sharp, A, and D sus, you go for 4 rounds. 4 rounds of that, and that will be the 3rd chorus. After that 3rd chorus, we have the outro part left. Okay, so we're gonna start with A, 4 string rounds, and D sus 4 string round. We can say the verse play. In that, you're gonna roll for 4 rounds. Okay, so 4 rounds of A4 and D sus4, and after these 4 rounds, you're gonna play the E4 and the D sus4 for again 4 rounds. And after that, you end on a beautiful A, 1 down, and that marks the end of Sam Fender's Arm's Length. All right. So yeah, great song from Sam Fender. Doesn't matter how long your arms are, you can handle a guitar, I believe so. So if you like this song, and if you would like to start to play guitar, then this could be a great song. Not too hard, actually. You can just clean out the melodies and everything. You have 1 bar chord. It's not too hard to start there. Otherwise, very easy chords. A, D, and E. So yeah, a nice song to start your guitar journey with. Sam Fender, Arm's Length. Give it a try. Till next time, play tuned.